All right, guys, so we're at the point now. We've got oil pressure on Patrick's car. Everything's ready to go. All the fluids are in there. Vacuum filter cooling system. And before we get it fired up, I made sure that the scavenge pump was working because, again, if you get this thing started up, you don't have that thing working. You're just going to be pumping a bunch of oil into the turbos and it's going to smoke like crazy. So ensure that's working. We got fuel pressure. Base fuel pressure is pretty good. It hasn't changed since last time the car was running. One change that we did that Patrick requested was that we place the injector dynamics 750 fuel filter in the engine bay. That way you can see the flow meter and it's easy to replace the element. So being is that it's already pretty tight under here with everything that we've got going on. We've got this filter right over here on the driver's side by the Soho catch can expansion tank setup. And now we're basically ready to get this thing fired up. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We check the VVL voltages, make sure they're within range, ensure we don't have any issues. And let's get this bad boy fired up. All right, we'll let it warm up, get up to temp a little bit. We got no oil leaks, and more than likely change the oil pretty quickly here after probably about 15 or 20 minutes, a little bit of runtime, and then we need to get the rings to break in, so we'll do a majority of that on the road. Hey guys, we just got done wrapping up the interior on Patrick's 370. One thing he had us put in is a really cool little button so that the hatch opens. Pretty straightforward install. You just got to run a wire to the BCM and you got power and ground. But basically, you know, this is something that Nissan finally added in 2019, and there was no other way instead of getting out of the car and opening the hatch from the back. So now all you got to do is hit the button and boom, your hatch is open. So you don't have to get out of the car and say you had a passenger that was running out to get their shit. Now they can pop it open like that, boom, boom, grab it. You know, it's just convenient. So 2009 to 2018, it didn't have that feature. So you can add this feature. This is something that also Peter from Conjo Spec, he offers a little kit for this little setup. So well worth it.